Hey YouTube, I'm back with the second half of the Power Rangers Samurai Megazord review. I didn't have enough time to finish it off the other day, so I'm doing the second part now. In this part, I'll get to the combination transformation, whatever you want to call it, to the Samurai Megazord, and then reviewing that by itself. So, here we got the Samurai, the folding Zords, or posing. So I'll get it started. I got red half done already. I got the line. So I'm gonna just click him, just folding the legs, and click him down, fold up the arms, lift up the head, put him to the back here. Then I'll take this, the Dragon Zord, and press the button here. Take out the helmet. There's the helmet here. Very nice. Shapes of each of the swords there. Nice gold colour. Put that off to the side. We'll fold him in half. And then his neck there, so you have him like that. Then they don't stand very well, so you sit him off to the side. And take the Bear Zord in its mauling mode, and you just fold the arms into the back, the legs into its sides, and it'll snap its neck, and it will stand like that. Then you'll take, can't do this standing up, it's gonna fail. So you'll take these, and you'll plug them in to each peg, holes there into the peg. And you'll stand up the back here. And then you'll take your Turtle and your Ape Zord, both doing poses. You'll fold, oops, wrong fin. You'll fold the fins in, snap her in half, fold the head into its body, turn it to this side, and spin the fist around, and then you have the right arm. You'll take the ape, make its arm straight, fold it over its head, click it into place, and you have the left arm. So then we'll take this and connect it on like that, and we'll connect this one to here like that, and those will sit there like this. Let me focus in on, yep. And then you'll take the helmet, plug it into the head, and fold up that. So now we have the Power Rangers Samurai Megazord. In all its glory. You'll notice the color scheme here. We got all the colors with silver. We got on each Zord we do have the silver and the black. So we got the silver. You got the silver around the edges here and the black around the kanji, the symbols. Again here that really stands out. Get on here, and we do have it on the legs too. So yeah, altogether really nice. You do have articulation in the arms with 360 rotation in each, with ratcheting every 45 degrees, I believe. You do have 360 rotation in this fist. You can spin the legs. If I put this down, I'll see if I can. Oops. I'll see if I can do it. So you have the legs here, and you can turn them at the knee joint. But it's pretty much useless because you can't really pose it. Anyway, you can open the mouth. And that's about it. Did come with a sword. I lost it. Silly me. But yeah, that's about it for it. Not much to it. But yes, it is very nice designed and very nicely coloured. I do wish they put a little bit more effort into the colours with the symbols on the legs. You can see the design there, and it has no colour. Show one of this leggy. But yeah, I wish that at least stickers or something. No, they could have done the symbol mode. I don't see why not, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, that's about it for this part of the review, and I'll come back with this if you can see that. If you know what that is, yeah. The box from CS Toys that I got the other day. So I'll be probably reviewing that next, as well as maybe some Samurai Auxiliary Zords and other Sentai changes. So this is Kika Black signing off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, thanks. See you guys.